Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I definitely still think this is going to make a higher low, higher low. I still think needs to go up and complete this WXY. 3 waves up for W, 3 waves down for X, and most likely it's an ABC of wave Y that we're currently looking at. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do think this is the end of a wave B right here, which means that this right here is a wave 1. That means that this right here is an ABC of 2, and that we're already in a wave 3. Now, that doesn't mean that we're not going to get plenty of pullbacks along the way, but I still think this is going to go up and make a 3, 4, 5 of wave C to form that WXY pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. Now, looking at this one, it does have 5 waves, and looking at most other dollar pairs, it actually looks like we're still in a wave 3. So I'm not really convinced this is actually over. I think there still could be lots and lots of upside potential. I think this wave 5 right here is the end of a 5-way pattern up for wave 1. I think this is a big ABC of 2. Nice 78% fib bounce. I think we're currently in a wave 3, and I am definitely looking for longs on sort of time frames still. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour, it really does look like it needs to go down before it goes up. It looks like impulsive down wave A. It looks like 3 waves up wave B. It looks like it needs to go down to make a wave C, maybe down to one of these fib levels before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. Kind of looks like it's trying to make either a regular flat because it's kind of equal highs, and maybe go down to here, which would be a regular flat, before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So the trend is 100% up on the longer time frames. So I do think that there's a good chance this is going to go down at least to the 38 or the 50% Fibonacci retracement. But the fact that the trend is up and the fact we're probably still likely in a wave 3 tells me that this actually could be just an ABC correction to the uptrend, and it may just keep on going up. I personally am definitely looking for longs. I'm only looking to go long, and I'm only looking to go long at the end of pullbacks. Now, looking at this, to me, it definitely looks like 5 ways down A. It looks like 1 up, 3 down, and then 1 up, which makes me think that it is a wave B, and it makes me think that this is likely to go down for a wave C. The fact that it made a little bit of a higher low right here also makes me think that it's a flat, a regular flat. Wave A, Wave B, go down to the 38% for a wave C, then break structure to the upside and continue the uptrend. So just because I think this is what's likely to happen doesn't mean that I'm going short or that I am short. I am actually waiting patiently for the long opportunities at the end of these pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend, which, like I said, it really doesn't need to go down. It could just keep on going up any time because we are likely in a wave 3 on the much, much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.